Hey guys, for activity one, you are going to create a Flipgrid video about your topic using Flipgrid. So for your criteria, you must show your face. You need to introduce yourself and your topic. Make it a call to action. Convince people to read or care about the topic. What's the purpose? Why should people care? 5 facts you learned about your topic. Speak in a tone that is respectful and appropriate, considering the materials being discussed, and a minimum of 30 seconds. If you choose to do this, you'll click on the Flipgrid link here, and it will take you to your assignment, which has a reminder of everything you need to have on it. You may record as many times as you need to, but once you've got it solid, make sure you submit it. Okay? Minimum of 30 seconds. Okay, good luck.